Hi, I'm Shivani. I'm the founder and CEO of KLEAP Cybersecurity. For over 5 years now, we've been providing penetration testing and compliance services to organizations across the globe. But KLEAP didn't start as a company idea, it started as a frustration. Early in my career, and even while running KLEAP, I kept seeing some unspoken problem in cybersecurity vendor hassle. Too often, businesses were sold security services they don't actually need. Scopes were bloated, compliance frameworks were pushed too early, and sometimes vendor would simply disappear halfway through your engagement. For founders and security leaders, that's not just inconvenient, it's exhausting and it's very risky. What was missing wasn't technology, it was honest guidance. So I realized how hard it was to find a cybersecurity partner who would pause, understand your business at that stage, and say, this is what you need, this is what you don't. That's why I built Cleap. We exist to remove the confusion from cybersecurity, to replace your checklist with conversations, and to deliver security that actually fits your business and not the other way around. So today we primarily support organizations in healthcare and manufacturing where trust, safety, and compliance aren't optional. They are very critical. What drives us is simple: an obsession with clear communication, reliable delivery, and guidance that keep your security posture strong and not just compliance on paper. At Keep, we don't just run tests or hand over you reports. We stand with you. We help you make informed decisions and grow securely step by step. If you are looking for a cybersecurity partner who understands you, we'd love to work with you.